Good morning from another snow day at home. Let me show you what it looks like after a dusting last night. So it has actually already started melting a little bit because the driveway was completely covered this morning, but it's still like really cold. But like you can see where it had started melting yesterday, and there's more snow today, and the dogs are barking. But yeah, you can see the tire tracks where Matt still went to work this morning, but there's our road somewhere. Well, the driveway started melting in a couple hours later, but I'm still gonna have to scrape that little bit right there.
That's very slight.
It's working. You can actually see it really well in the camera. Pull it back. Do it again. Can you see it? So I think we finally have seen the last bit of snow, possibly all winter, just really depends on the year, but at least for this 2-week snowfall that we've currently had, it's starting to melt off. It's really pretty. It was pretty while it was here. It's leaving, but that means that we're probably going to make it out tomorrow. So I need to go and clear out the fridge to get ready for a grocery restock. Again, we weren't really hurting. Like, we still had plenty of food. The deep freeze is still half full. Usually by end of February, early March, I prefer for the deep freeze to be off and unplugged for at least 24, 48 hours, even more so a week, and just let it like completely defrost and start refilling it during the spring for like whenever we do summer trips and we come back, we don't have to go to the grocery store immediately. Or the other thing that we do it for is like just slow stock up for like the next winter or whatever. So, but like we still have food in there, but I kind of want to just like clear the fridge out and just whatever we're not going to use, toss it, and then get ready for a grocery restock, which I may or may not show the first grocery restock back because I have several snow videos to still go through. But yeah, let's turn on and do a kitchen reset on our last day snowed in. Wireless water filters, let's talk about why we rely on Epic water filters for truly clean water, especially when we're stuck at home and keeping things healthy is a priority. If you're anything like us, meeting your daily water intake can be a challenge. From the everyday demands of renovating our home to keeping up with busy family life, drinking enough water just becomes another thing on your to-do list. Not to mention the stress of making sure you're drinking clean water without the guilt of constantly throwing away plastic water bottles that end up in landfills. That's why I'm glad to be partnering with Epic water filters. Epic water filters are a unique water filter that remove up to 99.99% of harmful contaminants that other filters leave behind. I mean, I don't know about you, but I don't want microplastics, heavy metal, or other pollutants in my drinking water. Plus, Epic water filters have been independently certified and tested worldwide. From pitchers to reusable bottles, To home filtration systems, Epic water filters can meet all of your home and travel water needs. They also guarantee fast, reliable shipping, so you don't have to worry about forgetting it on your lengthy shopping list. Just order straight from their website. You can even buy with Prime to save on shipping costs straight to your door. Speaking of saving, our amazing viewers can use the code THAdventure15 to save 15% off your first order. So, take one important task off your to-do list and simplify your health routine, even in the middle of home renovations. Try Epic water filters today. Now that we have clean drinking water to keep us hydrated, let's finish this kitchen deep clean before our big post-snowstorm grocery haul.